And you mentioned your fundamentals, and I think one interesting thing is that you've only been in the industry for a little bit over a decade, but even in that time, you kind of see this cycle of things coming back around that were a just a slight variation or a different flavor of something that was already here before. So how do you make sure that you are not caught in this kind of shiny object syndrome versus like actually recognizing that there's a paradigm shift or a brand new technology that's about to take over the world that's actually worth investing in? Because you see this a lot right now, right? Where there's a bunch of like a big kind of AI craze right now where
Yep.
a lot of people are unsure, is this just like some other fad or craze that's happening, or is it something real that I should invest and shift my whole career towards?
Yeah, and I think the closer you can get to learning about the fundamentals of a technology, the more valuable and sustainable that's going to be. If rather than like sure, you learn how to use a new web framework, but maybe also try to go under the hood and learn like how web frameworks work in general, right? And then through that understand, okay, so we put that HTTP colon slash slash at the beginning of a web, learn more about like what HTTP is. I think the farther down you get in learning fundamentals, the more persistent it is. So I would say like with AI, right? You could probably take a course that is like delving into a very specific large language model that maybe is the new hotness today that won't be in use 2 years from now. Or you can take the Andrew Ng Coursera course and learn some of the math behind AI and machine learning, which is, I think, absolutely going to be relevant in 5 years, right? Like there will be systems built using that if you learn that. So I think focusing on those sort of foundational elements and learning core concepts, whether that is in systems or AI or web programming, so the closer you get to the foundations, the more persistent value that's going to offer you.
If you enjoyed this clip, make sure you watch the entire video, which has a lot more content just like this. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of our episodes where we talk to leaders in the tech industry, from software engineers to product managers to engineering managers, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also click the notification bell.